Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Hey More TikTok trend, which is a Spanish trend, which is so much fun, but now like everyone is doing it around the world. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do it because it's really easy to learn and really fun to do. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's going to be a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's go with the first move. So the first thing we're going to do is a small jump. We're going to cross our legs. It doesn't really matter which leg goes in front of which, just make sure to cross them. And then you're gonna uncross. So it's gonna go like this. 1, 2. For your hands at the moment, you're not gonna do anything. And then you're gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3. So you're gonna do like 3 sways. So you can do them either just here, or you can go like actually down, like however you like it most. And for your hands, they're just gonna be like here by your side. So basically just pretend you have like a table, and you're just gonna put your hands on that table. And you're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're gonna put it like all together. So it's gonna go like this. 1, and then we're gonna do the sways like really quick. It has to be like really connected. So we're gonna go like this 3 times. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift our right leg. And we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So just 4 basic bounces. Our legs are gonna be together, and we're gonna bend and then unbend. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So let's put it all together from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, and then lift. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your hands are just gonna be pointing down. So after you do these 4, you're gonna also like twist a little bit. So if you start facing that way, you're just gonna twist to the right a little bit until you're facing the camera, maybe a little bit more to the right. And then after this part looks like the hardest part, but it's actually really easy moves that you have to just connect, and that's it. So all together, it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I'm gonna show you how to do it. So our right leg, we're gonna kick it forward. Just kick your leg, and then you're gonna step. Okay, so once again, kick, step. Once again, kick, step. Perfect. So after you step, your left leg is gonna go and tap. So it's just you're still gonna bend it, and it's gonna go like to the right. So your toes are gonna be facing to the right. Okay, so from the beginning, 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so after this, you're just gonna step back again. It's that easy. So 1, 2, 3, step. Once again, 1, 2, 3, step. So after this step, you're gonna kick forward again. So basically, it's just like the reverse move. So if you start kicking and then you step, what you're gonna do here is you're gonna step and then kick. That easy. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2. So when you lift your leg, you're gonna step to the right, just like this. So lift, step. Once again, lift, step. Okay, from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you're gonna go 8. So your legs are gonna be together. Okay, that's it. Now for this part, we're just gonna do it a couple times, a little bit faster, and that is it. You just have to like learn to connect everything, and it's that easy. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like, it's just really easy to get confused, but just try to do it slow, understand each part of this move, and that's it. And this is a move actually that you do like in many different dances, and it's actually like really fun. So just keep practicing it, and that's it. So after this part, we don't really have much left. So we stepped, now our legs are together. We're gonna step again. But instead of doing a normal step and that's it, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. So it's just like a small circle. So first our legs are gonna be straight and then we're gonna bend them and we're gonna go down. So you see this circle? That's it. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Your hands, they're just gonna be down, following your body, and that's it. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, once again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's do the whole dance from the beginning because we don't have much left. We have like only 2 moves left. So it's gonna go like this. Cross and cross, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Okay, after these 3 circles, what we're gonna do is that one of our hands is gonna be here as if we were looking for something, and the other one is gonna go 1, 2, 3. And for our legs, we're just gonna go to one side. Like when our hand goes to the left, we're gonna also like move to the left, if that makes sense. Then to the right, we're gonna go to the right, and then to the left, we're gonna go to the left. So when you go to the left, you're just gonna put all of your weight on your left leg, and then the opposite. So 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so after this, the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna step forward and we're gonna open our legs. So it just looks like this. It's really weird, but you're gonna go 1, and your hands, they're gonna go to the side. So you're just gonna like do this swiping move. So we're gonna go 1. You're gonna pretend you have like dust on your legs or anything, and you're just gonna swipe it off. So 1, and we're gonna go 2, and then 3, 4. So basically you're just gonna go with your right leg, then you're gonna go to the center, and then your left leg, and go to the center. And that's it, that's the whole dance. So this part again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you go to the center, your hands are just gonna go down. So you're gonna swipe, then go down, then swipe, and then down. And that's it, that's the whole dance. So now we're gonna do it from the beginning twice. First we're gonna do it slow, then fast, and we're done. So first let's do it slow. Okay, so, and 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then swipe down, swipe down. That's it. And now we're gonna do the same thing but a little bit faster. Okay, so, and 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, circle, 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 1, 2, 3, and then swipe down, swipe down. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dream.